your flute but don't know how to play it? Don't worry. Welcome to Flute with Hansi. I'm Hansi again, and today I will teach you how to play the beautiful song Kabhi alvida kehna through our flute. Okay? So notation, you can get it from my blog, and in any case, if you don't know how to read notations, you can do one thing. Okay, when I tell the notations, you can grab a pen and paper and write it down by yourself, so you know how to read it, right? So and also I'm using my double G flute today, a C scale one, so you guys can use any flute that you have. Okay, let's get started. Before I move to the tutorial part, I will play one time and then let's learn how to play it line by line. Okay. So if you play these kind of emotional songs, you need to use augmentations like mean, gamak, kam, like that. So if you don't know how to play those things, stay with my channel because I will upload some tutorials how to do augmentations on our flute. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications so you guys will not miss any for the videos. Let's get started the tutorial. So first line. Re ga ma ga, re pa ma ga. One more time. Re ga ma ga, re pa ma ga. So the notes are re ga ma ga, re pa ma ga. One more time. In this time you have to play add some mean. I will tell you when. Ne sa ma ga re, ne sa ma ga re. When you play ga re, you need to come with the mean to the re. Ne sa ma ga re. In this time you need to add gamak. Ni da ni. Hai pata, and that's that part. Ni da ni sa. One more time, whole part. Re ga ma ga, re pa ma ga, ni sa ma ga re, ni da ni sa. Repeat that line, that whole part for 2 times like this. And then touch ni with dha. Dha, 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 pa, pa. Okay, first time you don't touch any notes, just plain notes like dha, dha, pa, pa, re, ga, ma. And for the second time, dha, dha, pa, pa, re, ga, ma. Okay. Re, ga, ma, ga, re. Re, ga, ma, ga, re, re, sa. Just focus on notes when I sing re ga ma ga re re sa, but when you play it re ga ma ga re ga ma ga re ga re. When you play ga re, you need to touch ma with ga re ga re. You can see my finger movement ga re sa. Same thing, re sa. When you play re, you need to touch ga also, but not fully open, but little bit. Re ga ma ga re sa. One more time. Re ga ma ga re sa. Okay. Kabhi alvida. Ga ma pa pa pa. Ga ma pa pa pa. Okay. Ga ma pa pa pa. Ma ga re sa. Ma ga sa sa. Yeah. Ma ga sa sa re. One more time. Ga ma pa pa pa. Ma ga sa sa re. When you come to sa, when by playing ma ga sa sa, you need to come with also re sa, like ma ga re sa, not just ma ga sa sa. You need to play also re, but don't play a note like not like that, like that. When you play ma, you need to start it with re, like re, like ma ga sa sa re. Ma, you can see my fingers. Ma ga, ma ga sa sa re, ma ga sa sa re. One more time. And then same notes. Ga ma pa pa pa. Ma ga sa sa re, ma ga re. Ga ma pa pa pa. Ma ga re sa re, ma ga re. One more time. One more time. Okay, this is mean. Okay, so you need to comfortable with doing mean to do that. If you cannot do that, just play simple notes like you can play it. And then re pa ma ma re. Okay, re pa ma ma re. You need to add a mean to re. From ma to re, you need to add a mean. Okay, re pa ma ma re. Kabhi alvida. That part. re pa ma ma re. Re ga re sa sa, re ga re sa sa, re pa ma ma re, re ga re sa sa. One more time. Re pa ma ma re, re ga re sa sa. When you play sa for the last time, you need to add touch. Just tap knee. Re pa ma ma re, re ga re sa sa. Like that. One more time. So playing these kind of emotional songs are not easy, okay, but you can try. So that's how we play the chorus part of Kabhi alvida na kehna song, okay. So I hope you guys will learn and will able to play that part after watching this video. So let's meet in another tutorial video, and don't forget to tell what you think about this, and if you have any problems with your playing flute, you can ask. Comment section is always open. And so don't forget, keep playing, keep practice. Let's meet in another tutorial video. Thank you for watching.